disregard the fact that I'm only wearing makeup on this portion of my face. I wear a mask all the time, so it's like...
And I don't leave my house, and I only put makeup on for this since we're doing confessionals.
And also, please ignore the fact that my nose ring in my nose is jumbo, because my other one, I didn't have it closed all the way because I couldn't get it, and I was too scared to use the pliers again because last time I stabbed myself in the nose. So, I used the hat and it closed. It got stuck in between, so I had to re-pierce it with a regular earring and then put it back there. So now we have to have this jumbo ginormous one because I can get it in the fastest. That's all. Okay, let's begin.
Okay.
Start talking.
Okay, anyways, hey guys, and welcome. Today's video is another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. And this is the regular bag edition. So, this is the $12 a month bag. It is supposed to be profile based. As I always tell you guys, I lie on my profile and say I'm younger in order to receive a better bag. Now, this over here is my beautiful daughter, Haley, that you guys got an early story time from. And she...
I was like, Hillary.
I lose my train of thought even. I'm like having a flare-up, guys. So between my thyroid and my allergies, I'm a hot doggone mess more than normal. Fortunately, as always, it's a judgment-free zone. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump in. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I did do add-ons. This bag is $12 a month plus tax.
I did not do any add-ons on this bag.
I was feeling rather bougie for some reason.
Oh, I was bougie on my other bag.
Oh, okay, good. So, guilt-free. Judgment-free.
I spent like $60.
Oh. I bought this. I know what you're going to say.
No, I thought it was going to be tiny. So I didn't buy it.
No.
Okay, what was I going to say?
Oh, I thought you were going to say, that's supposed to be in BoxyCharm this month or next month. Which it may be.
Oh, no,
we've seen it as a spoiler.
I don't know anything about BoxyCharm except for what you said.
Oh, okay. Well, this was only $18 compared to a regular price of $44. So I got it.
Wow, that blue.
I know, right?
Oh, both blues.
It's the whole daggone palette.
Oh, I regret not buying that.
It's okay. I'm sure it'll be in an add-on. If not, if I get it in BoxyCharm, I'll just give you the one I get in BoxyCharm.
Okay.
See, it works out.
Yeah.
So I did buy this as part of the add-ons. By the way, I do use the donations from our Patreon family to purchase this to unbag for you guys. So thank you to our Patreon crew for that. Is Haley dropping?
Take a shot.
Haley, that got me like comments turned off last time.
Really?
Yes.
I meant take an immune booster shot. YouTube. An immune booster green juice.
We need all the vitamin C.
You can get them at Kroger for $3.99 for a little one. I saw them and I was like, I should do this. And my boyfriend was like, Haley,
I'm sweating now. Oh, so obviously I have to censor my Haley. Anywho, I think this was like a couple dollar add-on.
Oh, eyebrows.
Universal taupe. I've tried this in the past. I liked it.
I think I added that onto my other one.
I'm not done. It's
no this.
Oh.
Oh, I have that. It's good.
Is it? Mm-hmm. I have wanted this for decades.
Yeah, and then I remember when I got it in my plus, and then I'm really not happy. It's always the Huda that sends mom over the edge. Oh wait, I don't have this version.
I think I got darker because
I have the light one.
Okay, cool. I'm pretty excited.
There's a cream in there. What?
Is that? Are we serious, Ipsy? Is it?
It smells like Play-Doh.
Oh, it does. Is that normal?
I don't think mine smells like Play-Doh. I think they like me more than you.
Let's see if this will focus. Do you guys... Okay, if you guys were with us last month, it looks like another swatchy poo. I'm going to go with it's hot outside, and if I spray some alcohol on it, it might be... Do you guys see it? It's like gat. What's that word?
It's like a little gash.
Yeah, gash.
And then like a little smudge right there. I
did not do that. I don't know. My camera struggles when there's two of us here. I don't know. Oh well, I'll spritz it with some alcohol. It does smell funny though.
Like Play-Doh.
It does.
You're supposed to use all four of those in one look.
Oh, serious?
Prep, set, sculpt, flush.
God forbid I read. That's what I have you for. Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, so I bought that. I want to say this was like an $18 add-on, which I thought was a really good price. Oh, And then because Haley last month got this and I wanted it so bad, she was going to try and give it to me. And I was like, no, keep it. I got it. It's the Ciate Linden Hydrating Lip Oil.
I only used it that one time on video.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know what I did with it.
Oh.
I put my bag down somewhere in my garbage room.
So this is what the bag looks like. It's kind of like a plastic jelly.
It smells like a pool bag. Like,
It
you know,
does.
when you go into a
It
pool,
has
you
an
pull out-
airplane on it, Hale.
Yeah, it says it says escape.
Escape.
It's travel theme.
Escape.
Escape.
Escape. Welcome to our channel. Okay, you want to go first? Why'd you give that look?
I'm trying to think if that was the right way I said it.
How do you insert clips of like... He's so cute. You really need to start an Etsy. That's really cute. But like, how do you do that? When people insert little...
You have to
clippets?
find the recording of
Where?
Dory. Well, you go online and you say Dory saying escape. Like literally, just probably you could YouTube Dory from Finding Nemo saying.
Well, you know what?
Escape.
If you guys see the clip right now,
She's
you know I
improving
got
her editing.
Sorry,
So,
go ahead.
My
7.5 minutes
I
in,
know.
we haven't even opened the bio.
My first item is I think this is called Firma Beauty. It's a little blendy brush. It's the 201 brush. But what's cool is normally blended brushes have that more circle feel. This one, see how it's like more flat?
Yes, I just got one like that
I
from
feel like
Sigma I bought.
good for creasing.
It is.
So I'm excited about this because normally I use the big round floofy brush to kind of like do my crease, and then it gets it everywhere, even where I don't really want it. So this is really good. My face is so red down here.
Haley, come back. Okay, so my item.
Wow.
Did I pick this? I might maybe have picked
That was not an
it.
option for me.
No?
Maybe.
This is the banana setting powder by so this is a banana powder from a company. I don't know. Maybe I'll hold it like this and then I will try and zoom in for you guys. Okay.
My chosen item is a Thrive Cosmetics item because I love their brand. It is a lip fuller lip liner, and on here it says semi-permanent micro pigment technology. So like, what? That sounds really cool. It's in the shade GHIZLAN. It's a plum mauve. I don't even want to try and pronounce that.
She gets it from me.
Yeah, I got it from my mama.
Oh, if I was really fancy, I'd insert another clip of that song.
Ooh,
You know that song?
yeah, the one they play on TikTok.
Do they play that on TikTok? Oh, that's so pretty. Dang on, girl, skills. Okay, so my next item is a plant-based body lotion in seductive sandalwood.
I have that.
What is that? BASD. BASD.
Oh, it's supposed to say based because see, plant-based ingredients.
Oh, okay.
It's the brand based. I would assume that's how you pronounce it.
Smells
Let me
nice.
smell yours.
It's like,
It smells warm.
well, it's
That
sandalwood.
could be your hands.
Okay, what's your next item?
Mine, and we'll just do this. I got a little Kat Von D tattoo liner. Love these so exciting. I have a bajillion of them.
If I don't get one, I will be so happy.
Did you get one?
No.
Oh, I thought you were about to pull one out, and I was like, oh no.
No, my next item is by Pixie Beauty, Pixie Petra, Sheer Rose. Okay, that makes me feel better because I don't know if you guys can see, but it is a deep mauve looking color, which is pretty. Matches. Thanks. It matches Haley's lip liner, but with it saying Sheer Rose, I'm hoping this is a gloss because it really doesn't say. So she's hoping.
My final item is the BioErase Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. And it feels really full.
I got the Real Elemental Practice. It is some sort of moisturizer of some kind. It's a K-Beauty, I believe.
Formulated without 6 major parabens, benzyl alcohol.
My last item is the Purlisse Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream. I'm excited about that because I like the regular BB cream.
Didn't you just have one? But
And medium.
Yay, that's all for you then.
Yes.
So I was gonna say, didn't you just give me one of these?
Yes, I did. Okay, so what are your thoughts on your bio?
I like it. I think I'll use everything. I have a whole bunch of masks stockpiled. So if we go back into quarantine, and so then I can just be like, oh, mask, 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 because now I just don't have time for them. Love the brush. Never can have enough brushes. I say that like every time I get a brush. Lotion looks good because my hands are dry from washing them and sanitizing them all the time. I picked this, so I'm obviously excited about this. And I can never go wrong with a liquid liner, because I used to do the liquid kind, but the felt tip, so much easier. It's literally bloop, shoot, done. Unless you mess up. Then you have to do bloop, bloop, shoot again until you get it right and even. Okay, your turn.
I mean, I'm excited to try this banana powder because the powder is with mica, so it's going to be like finer. And I'm hoping that it, because it's finer, it'll help not show like crepey, yeah, and pores and crepey skin. I'm excited about this. I mean, the bag's not bad.
Yeah,
it's not bad.
I'm not like overwhelmed by it, but I'll use everything that I got. So
yeah.
It's not like I wouldn't use anything.
However, I will say
this isn't that full though. You see that?
It's really not. There is like a huge pocket. I don't even know if the camera will. So I don't know, guys, because I have to say the Allure beauty box, $3 more, less than $3 more, and it's pretty like knocking my socks off. So anywho, guys, that is everything for Ipsy versus Ipsy Glambag July edition. Yeah, July edition. There is a giveaway going on right now for the Balzano giveaway, so make sure to check my link down below for that. You have to go to the link to sign up to enter into that giveaway. You have to be subscribed. Definitely check me out over on Instagram, and I think that's kind of it. Oh, hold on, I want to show you guys. So, do you guys see my lashes? I know it's annoying because I keep talking about it.
That tube is so cute.
I know, but this is the Urban Decay Lash Freak. You guys, I don't even have... Husband? I do not even have a lash primer on these. What? Nothing. It's literally this. Yeah. Well, and you guys know... Oh, man.
Take a vitamin shot.
Vitamin. We're staying monetized.
It's a... I don't remember what it's called. Whatever I called it earlier in the video. Take one of those.
Okay, we're healthy. Anywho, we'll be coming back once we get the Glambag Plus. We'll come back, we'll unbox that for you guys, and then of course I will show you both of these in a video separately, all together for you guys. So anyways, like I said, this is the Urban Decay Lash Freak Mascara. If you guys are interested in it, Urban Decay did send it to me, so thank you, Urban Decay, for that. And I think that's all, right? Yeah.
Your nails match this mascara.
It is like my favorite color. It's by Orly and it's called Oh Snap. Well, I used a top coat that bubbled up and it's a hot mess. So only looks. It's so Monet.
Orange.
My clueless 90s babies are totally gonna know what I'm talking about. It's really Monet.
I know what you're talking about.
Really?
Yes.
Love that. It's the best movie ever. Okay, guys, that's all for now. Until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.
Bye. Stay safe.